Welcome back to Deb's True Crime Notebook. We'll reread the documents for you so you don't have to. We've got more coming your way. This is in reference to Richard Allen's first attorney that was obtained before the hearing for safekeeping. Let's get right into it. Defendant Exhibit 1C, Affidavit of Bradley A. Rosie. The affiant, Brad Rosie, upon his oath under penalty for perjury says, 1. I'm a lawyer with a law practice in Logansport, Indiana, and have been a lawyer in good standing in Indiana since I was admitted to the Indiana Bar on June 7, 2002. 2. Since November 2022, I've been the attorney for Richard Allen, who is the defendant under this cause number. 3. In an attempt to learn whether Richard Allen's first attorney, Brett Gibson, had communicated with either prosecutor Nick McClellan or then Sheriff Tobe Lesenby or any other law enforcement officer concerning the fact he, Gibson, was representing Richard Allen effective October 26, 2022, I reached out to Brett Gibson via email asking him a series of questions. 4. The purpose of my inquiry was to determine whether McClellan, Lesenby, or any other law enforcement officer was aware that beginning on October 26, 2022, attorney Brett Gibson was representing Richard Allen after his Richard Allen's arrest on October 26, 2022. 5. Attorney Gibson responded to my email inquiry and indicated that indeed Richard Allen had retained attorney Gibson following Richard Allen's October 26, 2022 arrest. A copy of said email, which is marked as Defendant's Exhibit 1D, is incorporated into this affidavit. 6. Furthermore, in his email response, Attorney Gibson stated that he, Attorney Gibson, communicated with Nick McClellan both by email and by cell phone and alerted McClellan that he, Gibson, was in fact Richard Allen's attorney. 7. Furthermore, in his email response, Attorney Gibson stated that Prosecutor McClellan helped arrange a meeting between Attorney Gibson and Richard Allen at the Carroll County Sheriff's Office, and that said meeting did in fact take place between Richard Allen and Attorney Gibson, and that furthermore, Attorney Gibson advised Allen to not discuss his case over the phone. 8. I have attempted to gain Attorney Gibson's affidavit concerning the things he, Gibson, states in the email, Exhibit 1D, but have not been able to do that at this time. The affiant says nothing more. Signed, Bradley A. Rosie, January 20th, 2025. Okay, so what the attorneys are trying to accomplish with this document is to establish the fact that Richard Allen allegedly had an attorney before the safekeeping hearing, and that Nicholas McClellan and possibly others knew about that attorney representing him, and as a matter of fact, he had met with his attorney through arrangements made by Nicholas McClellan. The reason that that would be important is if he did in fact have an attorney and law enforcement or prosecutor or the judge or anyone knew about it and did not make that attorney aware of the hearing for safekeeping, then that would possibly be grounds for an appeal, a technicality. So that's what they're trying to accomplish here. There's a lot more to come. A lot of filings came out today, and we will see you very shortly with another video. Thanks for watching Deb's True Crime Notebook. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, subscribe, and ring the bell for all notifications. And leave us a comment. We'll see you next time.